I'm giving y'all Wendy Williams on her day off.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. First of all, if you haven't been to Wine and Wigs Wednesday, hi, how are you? But we drink a little wine and we talk about hair. We do a little wig tutorial. So this wig is from BeautyForeverHair on AliExpress, and this wig on my head is so gorgeous. So I want to thank BeautyForeverHair for sponsoring this video. They gifted me with this wig as well. This wig is the straight honey blonde ombre highlight piano colored wig. So piano color means like you get all these stripes. This wig is definitely giving you 2000s, early 2000s sort of vibes. This is a 4x4 fake scalp T-part closure. Your closure goes from here to here. After that, you just have cap. Now I just pulled out just a little bit of my baby hairs just to make it blend, give you more of that lace front moment. Now there's also a fake scalp, which means it's almost like a silk top. I think that's like another name for a silk top, but it's basically just like a scalp color underneath. For me, the scalp color was a little bit too light, so I had to add some concealer. I don't know if y'all can tell. Either way, it looks cute to me. With the T-part closure, there are tracks, honey. There are the tracks right here. This wig also has 3 combs, adjustable straps in the back. That's the cap construction of the wig. If y'all want to see how I got this look, just please keep on watching. We're going to start off with a raggedy head. I have 2 braids in my head because this is going to be like my base. And I also have a little bit of hair out because this wig is not a full lace frontal wig. It's a 4x4. So we may need a little bit of hair, but my hair doesn't match. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but we're going to see. But I need to brush back these baby hairs to make sure like my hair is a good base. And I'm going to take a wig cap and just place it on our head. Y'all know I love my wig grip. It like actually hurts my feelings not to put a wig grip on. I don't know what it is. I feel like we're in a committed relationship and I'm cheating on her with a wig cap. We're gonna take the beautiful Beauty Forever wig and place it on. I'm giving y'all Wendy Williams on her day off. I like to take the wig, right? And I like to place it and figure out what I need to do to make her look good. Okay, so I need to pluck my part and I need to pluck the front. This is a straight hairline that is not what we want, but you have to be careful because the tracks are literally right behind it. So you don't want to pluck too much. So there are your tracks right here. It's giving sew-in tease, okay? And also I need to color in this part because it's just a tad bit too light for my skin. So I'm just gonna part it. I got some good old tweezers and I'm going to get to plucking. I have a little trick for applying your Got To Be Glued gel to your forehead. I'm just gonna take the Got To Be Glued High Insta Hold spray and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it into the container. Come on now. We're gonna take this brush and dip it into the solution. Then I'm gonna take my wig, let's push it back, and I'm gonna put the gel right where I want to put my lace. Just gonna pull this forward and right there. And I like to take a teeny tiny comb. Usually it is the comb at the end of the toothbrush. And then I'll just, not toothbrush, baby hair brush. Girl, I'm so dated and late. Y'all remember we used to use toothbrushes for putting down our baby hairs? Them was the days. I know y'all like a tug test, so once this is down, I'm gonna do a little tug test for y'all. See what it's giving. Tug test. What? And look at this tug test. Boom. She's down. Cheers, girls. I would have my man come in and pull it, but that's too much. So because we're flat ironing the hair, I'm going to use some Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant. Just right here in the front. The wax stick that we're going to use is a ZLA wax stick. I love this wax stick. Got hair all up on it. We need to make sure these flyaways are just not in the way. And then hit up this part area, and then we can pluck later. So I have my hot comb already set up. She is hot. This is the Andis hot comb, and I'm just going to flat iron the hair away from the face. Okay, so we're gonna take our tweezers, and then I'm about to get to plucking in this part. Okay, so I'm gonna take a rat tail comb and just part out some hairs. And I'm just gonna start pulling them out. Just to make this go by quicker, because your girl ain't patient enough. Next, we're about to take some Got To Be Glue gel, and we're going to put down some baby hairs. Now, the baby hairs are to cover these tracks right here, if we can. Now we're gonna go ahead and style the hair. I think I'm just gonna do straight because I want y'all to see the piano key sort of look in this wig. I'm gonna use some of my Tresemme spray, hit it with this comb, and then I'm gonna hit it with this flat iron right here. This is the T3 Rapid Heat Lucia flat iron. I'm gonna go ahead and use this smart flat iron to flat iron this hair and see how it works out. Okay, y'all, so we've already straightened and trimmed our beautiful Beautyforever hair, and now I'm going to take this off and see what we get. Okay, so the last thing I want to do is take some concealer on my part, kind of blend it up because the part is not giving what she's supposed to give. Y'all, this ghetto. I'm about to use this wig grip just to wipe this off. I don't have a towel near me. I usually do. I'm gonna try and see if I can lay out some baby hairs from my natural hair. So, lay these down just to make it look just a little bit more natural. And I don't have really, really dark hair because edges, girl. I never straighten my hair, but we're gonna see if we can just make it blend just a little bit. So I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. Y'all tell me what you think. Have y'all tried T-part wigs before? Because girl, I'm into it. Oh, I have a little gift for y'all. So if y'all want to use my coupon code, I do have a coupon code that I will have in the description box, but it is Alwaysameera, and you'll get some money off your wig purchase. Thank you so much to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video and providing this wig. If y'all do have any questions, of course, leave them down below. I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.